saw the footage I just posted there, that is what is known in automotive circles as trouble. Started about not too long ago, but I have seen and had cars that blew smoke out the tailpipes. That means you're burning oil, generally an indication of like a worn out engine. I have never had a car that was actually blowing out burbles of oil, liquid oil, out the tailpipe. And that is bad news. Obviously, I'm not a mechanic, but just Googling it and from my experiences of owning old cars, you're looking at probably worn out lifters, bad seal, other things, just the engine in general needs a rebuild. And yeah, bad stuff. And unfortunately, it is not the only bad thing going on. I actually noticed this right before the Christmas break. We were going to go be traveling for the holidays, and I went to drive the car and could not get it to shift above second gear. And here we are. I'm in my neighborhood, and yeah, it's not shifting out of second gear. This car has an overdrive, so 4 gears. So I don't know if I just really tried to ram it, I could get it up to 4th gear. Not sure I really want to try. I noticed over the last few weeks when I was driving it that 3rd gear was kind of like hesitating a little bit. Like just it seemed like it was a little not a whole lot of power, a little bit of a vibration, but the fluid level was okay. Yeah, it's hesitating now even in 2nd gear. So I am gonna shut this down real quick. And the old girl is obviously in for some major work. Unfortunately, this is just part of owning old cars, is things break down, and you get to shell out a whole bunch of money for it. And it looks like time is up for this girl. I was hoping that the engine and tranny on this car, the drivetrain, would be in good enough shape that it would at least last me for a few years while I was working on the bodywork. But it looks like that is not to be. I'll give you an update when I've got one. But yep, trouble ahead.